Of a digital communication system or generalized block diagram of digital communication system. Before the model of digital communication, first we we should know about the aspects of a digital communication system. So in the digital communication system, the energy, information source, communication channel and information sink uh, are to design the transmitter and receiver with following aspects. First, there are two aspects. For us, first aspect is encode modulate the message signal generated by the source of information, transmit it over the channel and produce an estimate of it at the receiver output that satisfies the requirements of the end user. And second aspect is do all of this at an affordable cost. These are the two aspects of a digital communication system. So in a digital communication system, the functional blocks of the transmitter and receiver starting from the far end of the channel are paired as follows. That is, first pair is source encoder decoder, second pair is channel encoder decoder, and third pair is modulator and demodulator. Now we will see the working of these pairs. So the source encoder removes redundant information from the message signal and responsible for efficient use of the channel. The resulting sequence of symbols is called the source code word. The data stream is processed next by the channel encoder, which produces a very which produces a new sequence of symbols called the channel code word. The channel code word is longer than the source code word by virtue of the controlled redundancy built into its construction. Finally, the modulator represents each symbol of the channel code word by a corresponding analog symbol appropriately selected from a finite set of possible analog symbols. The sequence of analog symbols produced by the modulator is called the waveform. Waveform means it is electric signal in the electric form. Analog signal in the electric form. Okay, so which is suitable for transmission over the channel. Okay, for transmission over the channel, we have to convert the signal into analog signal, which is the waveform, electric waveform. So at the receiver end, the channel output, that is the received signal, is processed in reverse order to that in the transmitter, thereby reconstructing a recognizable version of the original message signal. The constructed message signal is finally delivered to the user of information at the destination. So from this discussion, it is apparent that the design of digital communication system is rather complex in conceptual terms, but easy to build. And moreover, the system is robust, offering greater tolerance of physical effects, for example temperature variations, aging, mechanical vibration, etc., than those of analog systems. So hence the ever increasing use of the digital communication system. So it is slight information, introduction about the digital communication system.